Well, hello everybody and welcome back to Jenny's. And we've got such phenomenal deals. I've got you a food deal, 34 items for 65 cents a piece. And you know you want to know, so like and share the video on your way in. Invite your friends to come on over and hang out. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, come on in. We're going to fix you right on up. Look below and hit that subscription button and that notification bell, and make sure all your notifications are on. And that way you won't miss any of our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information that we have here at Crazy Country Couponer almost every day. And everybody, come on in. Please make sure you leave me a comment and an emoji. It is super duper important and a, well, easy way to help thousands of people. Yep, kudos. Pat on the back. Make you feel good about yourself. You're helping thousands of people with one little, well, 1, 2, 3, 3 little clicks. Like it, share it, and make a comment or leave an emoji. Thank you, thank you. And welcome everybody. And we're going to talk about, well, so many things. And all of them are going to save you money. Okay, we've got a sale that starts on Thursday and runs till Saturday. And we've got some good food sales on here. So we're going to talk about our food deal. Remember we said we were going to be doing one deal a week. Well, excuse me, one video a week pertaining to food deals. So this is that video, guys. And we've got some awesome food sales. So let's go save some money on things that we, well, that we consume. Alright guys, let's have a look. First off, we've got 3 days, 3 for $15 sale on the Pepsi and Mountain Dew. And you got a $3 off digital coupon. This is an awesome deal right here. Next up, if you've not used that Nabisco coupon yet, where you spend 9, save 2. It has been glitching, and it glitched last week on the 2 packs of Oreo cookies, and then the week before on the, last week on the Chips Ahoy, and the week before on the Oreos. Well, look, you're going to get 3 for $8 this time. And hopefully it will glitch as well. I'm pretty sure it will. And even if it doesn't, it's still a phenomenal deal, because one of these packs of cookies is $3.95. So that's a big savings. Next, look, we got the veggie sale, guys. 2 for $1. We're going to be using that. And of course, if you do the pumpkin pie thing, we got the 2 for $2. And of course, in our deal, we're going to include those vegetables. So if you want to substitute the pumpkin or the broth for either any of our canned goods, well then, go right ahead. Now, we're going to be doing this deal for Saturday because we're going to save that extra $10 off on this food. Now, if you want to go and try to get your cookies and your sodas prior to that, or you got more than one account and you want to do this any day of the week, or you've got one of those 10 off of 40s that says that you can use it any day of the week, because I don't have one of those, lucky you, then you can do this deal any day of the week. If not, let's wait till Saturday, because it's going to be so much better. Or more. Better, more better. It's just going to be, well, good. Next up on this sale, we've got Mellow Yellow, Bart's, and Minute Maid, and a Seagram's, whatever that is, 2 liters. 3 for $3. Now, this is a really good deal for $1 a piece. Now, we also have our Bugles. Buy 2, get 1 free. We got that 75 cents off of 2. That little standard Bugle coupon. A really good coupon. grab the bugles to help us make our Chex Mix for the holidays. And then we got the 3 for $6 on the Kellogg's products. And it's not just cereal, guys. It is Pop-Tarts, the Nutri-Grain, and the pastries. And scan, because the little miniature Pop-Tart snacks and some of your other items like your Kellogg's Rice Krispie treats, they might be 3 for $6. So scan and see. But you're going to end up getting 3 of these products. Now, if you don't like the Bart's Root Beer or the Mellow Yellow, we have got the RC Colas, the Dr. Peppers, and the 7-Up, 3 for $4. Now, this is a really good price because that Dr. Pepper is usually $2.50. And don't forget, if you've got a little sweet tooth, even though they're candy wrapped, or excuse me, Christmas wrapped, it's still just candy. You got the buy 2, get 1 free on these Reese's holiday candies. And they are have a digital coupon for $2 off when you spend $10. No, excuse me, $3 off when you spend $10. The Progresso is on sale, 2 for $4. We've got a coupon for $1 off of 4. So now on these Progresso soups, they're 2 for $4. And you can get 4 of these for $8 and you'll get $1 off, so 4 for $7. Okay, let's have a look at our deal. You're going to pick up 8 of those chunky soups for $8. 3 of those Chips Ahoy's for $8. 3 Mellow Yellow or whatever those sodas are that you like. And 3 of the Bugles. 3 Kellogg's products. You're going to pick up the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1. Got a $1 digital coupon. Your Oral-B Clean and Healthy for $1. You got $1 coming off of that. 2 of the Pure Leaf tea. If you haven't used that Pure Leaf tea coupon yet, you can pick up 2 of, I think they're the quart size. Pick up 2 of them. They're the $3 ones. 2 for $6. You got a $3 off coupon coming off. Now, you're going to pick up 10 cans of those vegetables, 2 for $1. You're looking at $5. You're at $40 right there. You're going to get an extra $10 off. Altogether, you got $17.75 coming off, leaving you an out-of-pocket of $22.25 for 34 items, guys, that you can actually eat. So you've got soups for your lunches. You've got chips for your dessert. You've got tea and soda to drink. You got Bugles for your snacks. And you've got breakfast. And you've even got some vegetables to go with other meals. Now that's a winner kind of deal right there, guys. To save $17 on your food bill. Well, you could treat yourself with so many other things. So, that is your food deal for the week, guys. We are going to be utilizing 2 glitching coupons in this deal. The Crest toothpaste and the Oral-B toothbrush. Both of these items will be absolutely free. And with any luck, the 3 Chips Ahoy cookies that are $8 will also glitch and give us that $2 off. However, if it does not glitch, no big deal. It's still at a $25 out of pocket. This is an awesome deal because it is all food and it's 34 items, which means every item is less than $1. This is what a store coupon looks like. It says store coupon on the top. And if you're still not sure, all you got to do is read down here in the details. It says, must present coupon to cashier. Limit 1, not valid with any other Dollar General coupon offer. That tells you that it is a Dollar General store coupon. Now, as you can see, this paper coupon says nothing about it being a store coupon. And again, you don't see anything that says store coupon. Now let's read the verbiage. Dealer, which is Dollar General. Submission to Procter & Gamble signifies compliance with requirements for proper coupon redemption. Okay? Which makes this a manufactured coupon. I don't know why that's so important to some people, except for they don't like me using the word glitch, I guess. But that's what it is, guys. And so is the other PG coupon. They are both glitching. So if you've got these on your other accounts, clip, because we can stock up. So that's just a heads up for our upcoming video. And, of course, if you've got any spend money in your account, you can always make this even cheaper. So, blessings, everybody. Good shopping. And if you haven't gotten your 10 off of 40 yet, go spend $10 at the Dollar General. Make sure your offer is clipped before you go. And that way, you will get your 10 off of 40, so you can get these extra good sales and glitches on Saturday. And I'll see you again real soon with more deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information.